So I'm in the shower. I don't know what told me to look out, but I see my phone lighting up and it's a red notification. I'm like, bro, I have to see what's up with that shit. So I told my girl, yo, click that for me real quick. And it turns out that it's the midnight one OGs. I'm like, bro, I need to get them shit. So I go on sneakers and I lock myself in. We about to see what's up. Hey, this is before the video. I know today y'all gonna see sneakers upcoming and shit. There's a lot of heat coming. But before we get into it, I had to show y'all what's going on for real. So this is real time. We're trying to get these midnight navies. I recorded this video like a week ago at this point. We gonna see what's up. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know the news. They played me, bro. That's it. Let me know if y'all cooked up on these shits. Honestly, I tried. Shit was an L.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna talk about some heat that's gonna be releasing soon. So hey, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I ain't even trying to waste no time, bro. Let's get into some of these fire ass releases we got coming up. Come on, bro, leave a like and subscribe, bro, to 20K, but let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna talk about a couple releases standing up, and then I'm gonna sit down on the green screen because I feel like it's a little bit more smooth to do it on there. And I wanted to know from you guys, how would you rather me talk about sneakers? We got more protection pack New Balances coming out. Yo, there's 6 new colors and I'm trying to pick up at least 3 to 4 of these off rip. The lilac with the purple, bruh, those are so cool. That white on white color, shit go crazy. The navy with the blue is one of the more subtle ones, but honestly, even that orange pair go hard. The one that I'm kind of disappointed on is the pink with the fuchsia. I do wish the fuchsia was a little bit of a smoother tone, but it is what it is. Those still are clean. Honestly, all these colorways are fire. It's literally up to which one you like the most. For me, it is that lilac with the purple. Those go so hard. Cream with the gum outsole pair almost looks like a used pair of sneakers, and it kind of looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know how y'all feel about the cream joints. New Balance is dead ass an unstoppable force at this point, bro. They cannot be reckoned with. I'm gonna move to the side and let them do their thing. Look at them big real quick. Shits go crazy, bro. Let me know what your top 2 colorways are. For me, it definitely has to be the lilac with the purple or the navy with the blue. I feel like I would actually wear those a lot. It's probably not my favorite looking color, but I'd probably wear them more, if that makes sense. So this next pair is crazy, like straight crazy. It's the Jordan 1 OG Chicago Reimagined. Those are gonna be dropping this October, my birthday month. Chicago Jordan 1s, releasing with that OG shape vintage vibe to it, bro. These are mandatory, like mandatory cop, no questions. When they do these reimagined sneakers, what they basically do is they take the shoe, they vintage the shit, you get the vintage box, vintage booklets, everything that comes with the OG damn near on this new pair. So this is a must cop. Let's not even discuss it no further, bro. I would deadass lose 3 pairs of sneakers behind me for that pair of shoes up there right now. Banger. Deadass, no other words. Straight heat. So we gonna go ahead and sit down real quick, pull up a couple more stories, and then we'll get straight about the building. Leave a like. This March month was kinda okay. It started off strong, took a little at the end, but it is what it is. We are gonna pick this shit back up in a second. Hold up. So the first news I wanted to talk about sitting down is the Maison Chateau Rouge Jordan 2. And yo, these shits look kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. You got these orange panels on the front and the back of the shoe. Honestly, there's a lot of little details that I am digging on the sneaker right here. Let's slide through these pictures and see what's up. As you can see, that front has like this suede orange panel, which is a different touch. The 2 stripes on the 2 are orange and yellow. Then you got like this orange stitching across the tongue, satin liner. The laces have an orange thread through them. These are actually fire, bro. Let me know how y'all feeling about these in the comments. Multiple laces as well, and it does say Chicago, Dakar, and Paris. United Youth International on the other pair. These have a lot of attention to detail. Look at the insole, bro. We don't even have to talk about it any further. These are hard. Yeah, let me know how y'all feeling about the Maison Chateau Rouge Rouge, Petit, Jordan 2. These look kind of fire. Definitely a must cop for me at least. Hey, y'all already know I love 2's, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all another 2, which we have covered briefly before. Boom, we have spoke about these. I fucking love these. Low-key, I'm waiting for these to drop. You got that cream suede, if y'all don't know. A bunch of different materials and vibes on this sneaker, and something I found out is that this isn't even a collaboration. This is simply a Jordan 2 released by Jordan, so props to them for the colorway. These actually go hard and they're meant to be worn. So these say wear your shoes, show the world where you've been. I'm gladly gonna try to wear these if I'm able to cop. But yeah, these are dropping. Then we got these dropping too, bro. This pair of shoes deserves its cherries too. It's another OG Reimagined Jordan 2 Chicago this time. They're supposed to release my birthday month, October. I need these. Let me get the 2-pack. I need both of them, just please, for retail, bro. I've never had a problem with Jordan 2's. I used to love the mellow pair, you feel me? I used to look at them shits growing up. I literally love Jordans, so like 1 through 15, 16, 18, literally I even had a pair of 21s. We're not even gonna talk about that, the 20s too. We're not gonna talk about it though, okay? Those are different times, but these 2's go crazy, bro. I'm really excited that they're bringing the 2's back and they're not doing some bullshit with it. They're actually bringing some heat. I'm excited for the Jordan 2 to finally get some type of shine. I feel like the 1 and the 3 were always loved and the 4 too, but the 2 always got slept on and I don't know why. Chicago Jordan 2's October once again. Make sure you stay tuned because this is a must cop for sure. I don't know if I've spoken about these before, but we do got the Neapolitan Jordan 3's. These are a women exclusive. I feel like these are actually hard as fuck. If I am able to get my hands on these in May, I'm definitely gonna try to. These shits go hard. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Neapolitans. The baby rust pink that they used on it is just perfect. It has the vintage vibe. This almost looks like a mocha Jordan 3 with a little bit of color, which is perfect to me. Definitely gonna try to get these whenever they do release. We also got these beige and black 350s. Honestly, out of all the 350s we've been getting, this is not that bad. It's almost like the reverse Oreo pair and they looking kind of clean, bro. For just a cream and black Yeezy, this looks like one that I'd possibly try to go for because you could wear these with a lot of shit. Gives me almost like OG Yeezy 350 vibes on these, so I am feeling them. Almost like moon rock vibes too, low key. These definitely go crazy. I'm feeling how these are looking on feet, and hey, this might be another one of those that I might have to go and try to get, bro. These are dropping September allegedly, so we're gonna have to wait and see. But let me know what was your favorite sneaker that I spoke about in this video. I'm gonna see if anything catches my eye while I do my outro, and if it does, oh, we got Jordan 11s. We got the Jordan 11 Midnight Navies supposed to come out for Black Friday. Honestly, if I am able to get this pair, I possibly will. This is a Z sneakerhead leak, so 9 times out of 10 this shit is gonna be correct. Navy, let me know how y'all feeling about it. We supposed to get 2 Jordan 11s this year, this one, and we're supposed to get this one too, so it's looking pretty lit, bro. I do love the cherry 11s, probably one of my favorite 11 lows, so I'm glad they're bringing it in the high. If I'm not mistaken, this was a PE back in the day. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these do look fire. I'm gonna try to go for them. This is the December release, and then the Midnight Navy would be the November release. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. Leave a like on this one if you did enjoy. I'm gonna end this one on this because these are actually hard as leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. New content always. We on road to 20K. We this close, so help me reach that. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.